how to use topical CBD products. That is a great question. I will answer it now with what we got. I'm Lex Pelger. I do canna education for CV Sciences, the makers of Plus CBD, on cannabinoids in the skin. Ask me anything. One thing I very much appreciate about the Plus CBD line is that they have an array of topical products that you can use. This is one I use the most. This is a balm, and balms are nice because they are thick and they seem to penetrate well into the skin that well, and they stay on you really well because they're so thick. Also, CBD might help with hair growth. THC might make it worse, but CBD seems like it helps according to some preclinical studies, and I'm starting to need it. So I'm starting to do this every night, is just rubbing some Plus CBD balm up there. But for after exercise, this is the Plus CBD roll-on. These are really nice because they roll right on. You don't have to actually touch anything and get your hands all sticky. And finally, there is a cream, which has that nice creamy texture. So there's 3 ways to get them on in different ways. And as that last video said, the cool part about CBD-rich hemp extracts is they penetrate the skin. You know, they go in deeper, and they not only help to cause anti-aging effects for the skin and to help protect these keratinocytes, the skin stem cells. They are actual general moisturizers and texturizers as well. You can see more of this data at CVResearch.info. I have a lot of data on the skin page there. But then we have this new line of products that I guess is officially geared towards athletes because it is for pain relief and it is for penetrating into muscles and for muscle repair. It also includes camphor and menthol to help with the hot-cold healing. But this is probably going to be helpful for anyone who needs help with their muscles or more like deep connective tissue kind of stuff. So this might be marketed for exercisers, but I think this could help a lot of people with connective tissue things going on. So these pain relief products are very potent and very good at what they do. And since I have 45 seconds left, let's end with stories about how well these can penetrate. Because for cancer patients, there are THC bath bombs, and you throw them in the bath, and the word on the street is you put in 1 and it helps to lower pain and helps with your anxiety. You put in 2 and you get nice and high, and it's a way for those to get all the way in. And similarly, in the Hebrew Bible, if cannabism really means cannabis, then the recipe for the anointing oil for priests and for kings is about a pound of weed into a liter of oil. And then you smear that all over your body. If that really is the recipe, that is a psychedelic level trip through the skin. Go forth, use topicals, see God.